Hello beautiful creatives, I'm really excited because today we're going to be painting one of my favourite flowers that is ranunculus. I think I've said that right. I'm going to be sharing with you a super easy, simple method to paint these flowers quickly in acrylics. So grab your sketch pad, and if you love short bursts of exercises that really grow your art skills, you're going to love Supercharge Your Art. I'll drop the link in the description box if you want to check that out. But for now, let's paint. So I'm super excited to show you this because when you kind of learn this method, you can paint really pretty bouquets using this same ranunculus method. So these are one of my favourite flowers to paint for that reason. And I'm going to show you the method now. It's super easy and it's really fun just to play around with. Now I'm going to be using a flat edge brush in medium size. This is the Galleria One Stroke in 19mm. I do recommend a medium sized brush, and if you've got a flat or filbert, even better, but if you've got a round, that's okay as well. And the colours I'm using are titanium white, yellow, red and phthalo green. But honestly, any kind of green will do. And I've just got some paper pad here just to kind of have a practice on. So I'm gonna just wipe off any excess water off my brush. Now the first thing that I want you to do is to create a nice mid orange. So to do that, we're going to take some of the yellow and the red. Yeah, just create a nice orange, you know. And then what I want you to do is kind of paint a bit of an oval on its side. Something like this. Okay, this is absolutely fine. Next, what we're going to do is take some red and pop some red into that. And I kind of want you to think about making like a little seat for this ranunculus. And because this is kind of going to be very loose and impressionistic style, so feel free just to use your brush to create like the feeling of petals. And I love that kind of feeling, just that loose feeling with the brush strokes. So what we're going to do is just kind of go around what we've done there. And what we're going to do is take that then up to the side and a little bit around the back. And also just going to kind of end with a bit of a splodge about there. Okay, that's fine. Then I want you to rinse off your brush and then take off any excess water. Next, what we're going to do is add some of the yellow to make like the other side of that. So it's going to be like a yellowy orange, just like a warm yellow basically. Something like this. So it's not yellow straight from the tube, but it's just a warmer version. Next, what we're going to do is kind of build up the body now. So we're going to take that around and almost meet it. We're going to just pull that around and almost just like meet it the other end. Just at the top of that splodge. Something like this. And you can kind of use your brush to really create those petals. We could even kind of pull that petal down there, something like this. Okay, cool. And then what we're going to do, actually, before we rinse that out, what we can do is just add white to this. So let's just add some white to that to get a nice, it's not going to be white, but just a really nice light creamy yellow. And then what we're going to do is take our brush, and you can use it on the side. I wouldn't recommend going flat edge because that's going to be too much, but you could use it the other way. And what we're going to do is just pop a little blob right next to the dark patch. What that's going to do is create a really nice contrast. And also kind of next to it this way, we could even bring it this way too. And then just start to make up some of these little highlights on the petals. We don't even want to add too much really. And we could even take it round to this side a little bit. Okay, lovely. And then rinse off your brush and take off the excess water. Now, what's something I really like to do is I take some red with just a little bit of green, and it makes this really dark red. Really nice, right? You don't need to add black. Little hack there for you, especially a phthalo green. And what we're going to do is we're not going to add too much paint here, but just kind of take off the excess. So you've just got a little bit. We're going to just use the very edge of the brush and add some, oh, I need a little bit of water. It's a bit dry. And we're just going to add in some of that shadow. I'm just going to pop a shadow here. So kind of think about where the base of the flower is. And you want it to just kind of peek through like this. Now I'm also going to take the corner. You don't have to do this, but you can also just add a little bit of a shadow right in the center as well. And it just gives it that really nice pop of contrast. And for the stalk, what we can do is take some of the phthalo green, or if you've got a very yellow green, that's fine as well. I'm going to add a little bit of yellow into mine just to make it a bit more greeny. And I'm also going to add a little bit of red too, just to desaturate it, darken it a little bit. And then what we can do is just take the brush, just kind of pull that down. And there you've got your ranunculus. Now what we can do as well is we can also create a little bud to go next to it. And this is, I mean, how simple was that? I know it's not necessarily easy, especially when you're first starting out, but it is simple. And if you want to do a little bud, it's just exactly the same thing. So we can take some of that, because this one's in the shadow, I'm going to take some of that darker orange. Just going to create a circle with a little bit of an oval. Just take some of that darker bit, add that in the center. Might take some of that orange and just kind of add that at the bottom. Nothing too crazy. And then we can use that same green. And it's really just about using your brush to recreate the shapes that you can see on the reference photo. Okay, and this is how you can build up a really nice bouquet. I mean, like I say, this is exactly the same method I used for this painting. And I've used it with many other flowers as well. Thank you so much for painting this with me today. I absolutely love these bright colours too. As you can see, I kind of went a little bit mad with this technique, but I just really, really love it. And if you really want to grow your art skills, want to create paintings that you truly feel proud of, Supercharge Your Art is a 14-day experience where every single day you get a new video dropped into your inbox with a short focus lesson in your sketchbook that's really going to help you grow as an artist. And there's really fun exercises, and not only that, but they've been designed very specifically to help grow the core skills you need as an artist. So I'll drop the link to that in the description box. It'd be wonderful to have you join us, and people are getting amazing results. But thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure you hit subscribe and the notification bell so you don't miss the next one, and I'll see you there. Bye.